Okay, so this video is going to be about setting up the program called Audacity. I believe everybody has this on their computer, but just if you don't, it's a free open source software that you can use that will allow you to make recordings, and it's actually pretty good. So if you need to download it, you go to audacity.org, and you're going to obviously download it for Windows. But to start with today, I'm going to just open up my Windows panel here, and I'm going to go to Audacity version 2. It'll load, and you will see the window pop up like this. Now, I have a microphone connected to my computer, so if you want to choose your microphone, you can choose that here. You can use the microphone that's attached to your computer. If you've got a headset with a good microphone on it, that'll pop up here, and it'll also say where do you want to listen to it. I have it connected, my computer connected through Bluetooth through my soundbar if I want. Your headphones is what you probably are going to want to use, or your computer speakers to listen to your playback. Okay, it's really easy to use. It looks like an old tape recorder for those of us who are old enough to know what that looks like. So we're going to hit the red button there, and you can see that it's recording me already, and it's actually, we're doing this, it's kind of like in the Matrix where I'm recording twice in once here. But I'm creating this track, and if I want to pause it, I can pause it. If I want to keep going, I can. Or if I'm done what I want to do, I want to stop it, I can just hit the stop button. And then I've created a track. Now, you can edit it, you can cut different parts out. I'm not going to go into too much of that today. I think for folks when you're getting started, it's best to just do one track, one recording. Maybe it's a 30-second welcome message so the students can hear your voice in the Google class, or whatnot. I might get into how to use that sort of thing. I'm going to also look up other tutorial videos online for folks. But essentially what you've got here from here is you've got a couple of options. So we want to save the project. We're going to save the project as, okay, save project as, da-da-da. And I'm going to put this into, I've created on my desktop, I've created a audio for class folder to keep myself organized, and I'm going to call this setting up Audacity, and you'll notice it's called an Audacity project. Okay, so that's really important to know because I can't upload this to the web yet, all right, or to my Google class yet. So I've got that saved as a project, and this allows me to still edit it to, again, to add more, if I want to add background music, if I wanted to add any sort of other things to it, I could, sound effects, that sort of thing. All right. From here, I'm going to go now to export, and you've got all these options. I recommend you go to waveform. Okay, so that is kind of the most basic type of audio file. It does take up a little bit more memory than MP3, but not that much. So I'm going to go to export wave, and it's going to automatically go to where I last put my last recording. So here, setting up Audacity, I'm going to go up one level to recording for class. Okay, save here. I can put in artist name, track title, all that sort of thing. So if you wanted to record music here, you could. If you, yeah. So we're going to hit just save there, click OK, and it will upload. And then from here, I can, once it's done, which it should be now, I can go into if I go into my File Explorer, my desktop, audio for class, there it is. This is it's called a VLC, this is a waveform that I've created, a VLC media file. That's it right there, setting up for Audacity. So again, make sure when you're uploading, you don't upload the AUP file, which is the Audacity file. You want to upload the wave file there. Okay, so again, I hope everyone's right. Oh, and you actually you can see for comparison here, so these two are fairly close in time. Actually, this one is a little bit shorter, the setting up for Audacity, than the one I recorded earlier using MP3. Both will play on a standard computer, so you can just see, for example, there how the size of the file is. Okay, so that's about 1.5 MB, and that one's 2 MB. Okay. All right, I think that's all for this video. I hope you have some success with this. Play around with it, and yeah, take care, folks.